Hello and welcome everyone. You're watching Learn with Ears, and today we're going to learn the difference between remember and remind. So let's get started. Let's say remember first. Remember is a verb and this refers to your memory. Okay? Memory where we collect a lot of information or store data. Remember means having a memory of something. Okay? When we look at this word, remember, this re stands for back or again, means doing something again or bringing it back to the memory. Okay, so remember means memory is already there, we are thinking again, right? Now let's see how to use it. We can use remember with verb plus ing. This is called gerund. Okay, so remember is used when you remember something from the past. Okay, now let's see some examples. I remember reading storybooks with my grandfather. Okay, so here we are using reading. Read is a verb with ing. Okay, gerund form. So I remember reading storybooks with my grandfather. I'm not reading book right now with my grandfather. I have memory from past. Okay, so I'm using the word remember. I remember reading storybooks with my grandfather. Now let's see the second sentence. Do you remember watching our favorite movies together? Okay, so here again we are using gerund with remember. Next, Jack remembers buying my favorite chocolates. Okay, next, we remember playing football. Now let's see the second use. Remember plus to plus verb. Okay, we can use remember with infinitive. So here we use remember when something is to be done in the future. Okay, we are not doing right now, or there is no any memory from past. We have to do something in the future, right? Now let's see some sentences. I must remember to wash my hands. Okay, means I am not washing my hands right now, or there is no any memory from the past. This verb needs to be done in the future, right? Next, you must remember to clean the room. Okay. Next, Gina remembers to help her friend. I remember to eat my breakfast. Okay, means I am not eating, or it's not about past. I have to eat. Okay, in future, after some time, after a moment, I have to eat my breakfast. So in this case, we use remember plus to plus verb when something is to be done in the future. Okay, after some time. We also use remember with noun. Okay, means a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. We use remember with nouns or sometimes pronouns. So let's see sentence. I can't remember this man. Man is a noun. Okay. Next, I remember this place. I've been there before. Okay, so place is also a noun. I remember this heavy brown chair. Chair is a noun. Next, we remember this cat. Okay, cat is an animal and this is a noun. Do you remember that idea? Okay, so we use remember with noun or sometimes pronoun like I can't remember him. Okay, or I can't remember it. Right? Now let's move to remind. Remind is a verb. Okay, it means to make someone remember something. So here let's see some sentences. This place reminds me of my village. Okay, when I see this place, I think about my village. Second, please remind me about the meeting. I might forget, please remind me. I will remind you to pay the bills. Next, this delicious food reminds me of my mother. Now here we have two sentences. I remind him to come early. And second, I remember him to come early. Okay? So here one person is helping another to remember. Okay? But here memory is already there. We use remember when we have memory and we are thinking again. Okay? So this is correct and second sentence is incorrect. I remember him is wrong. There must be I remind him. Okay?